Hi, and welcome to PTE's tutorial, specifically how to go over the academic section for the highlighting the correct summary. In this presentation, we'll be going over an introduction to the question type, the instructions, the scoring, some tips in order to succeed, as well as a sample question. What is the highlighting of the correct summary? Well, this assesses your ability to comprehend and summarize information from a recording. You should select a summary that is closest to the recording. The specific test instruction that you will receive is, you will hear a recording. Click on the paragraph that best related to the recording. Very straightforward. The scoring will be based on correct or incorrect. There is no partial credit. Some tips are that before the recording starts, there's a 10-second buffer that is allocated. In this time, you should try and quickly skim the choices. That way you know what you're looking for. You should listen to the recording and take notes. That way you can look back on them when you're trying to find an answer. You should then read the options carefully and eliminate the wrong choices. Last, select the most accurate summary that you can find. You can eliminate different answers as well by eliminating those options that have incorrect information, excess information, or options with no main idea but just details. So let's go through a sample question. So briefly skim over for 10 seconds, and then we will go.
A seat belt, also known as a safety belt, is a vehicle safety device designed to secure the occupant of a vehicle against harmful movement that may result during a collision or a sudden stop. A seatbelt functions to reduce the likelihood of death or serious injury in a traffic collision by reducing the force of impacts with interior strike hazards by keeping occupants positioned correctly for the airbag, and preventing occupants being ejected from the vehicle in a crash or if a vehicle rolls over.
So having skimmed these, think in your mind which one is the correct one. The first one provides many details. The second one is very brief, but it also pertains exactly to what the summary was about. Number C is very, very long and gives too many details. And part D is only tangentially related. So the best answer is B. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next presentation. Have a good day.